to write English shorthand junior speed strokes without any omission. Before writing speed, students must practice the following. Number one, hard verbs. Number two, writing similar strokes with crystal clear. Number three, phrases and contractions. Number four, intersections. Number five, advanced outlines. And finally, students must develop the art of creating spot advanced outlines. That is, doubling the first and last outline of the strokes for repeated words, which will result in writing English shorthand junior speed strokes without any omission. November 1976 speed. Hard words. Beloved, illustrious, intimately, democratic, dedicated, esteemed, feeding, sheltering, imposing, burden, unprecedented, tall, posing, threat. Similar strokes. All, of, the, all the, of our, on our, I am, I may, it is not, which is not, to be, put, can, go, various, conference, of our, on our, we are, whether, in, any, a, and, can be, may be, with the, that the, it is, which is, does not, it is not, all the, of the, in, any, we do not, we did not, we do not know, we did not know, at the, by the, phrases and contractions. I have great pleasure. I would like to. We have, has been, in our own, at the same time. Everyone, government, something, intersections, stable government, James and Company, Electricals Limited, advanced outlines. Your Excellency, to this, it is not necessary. About the, most of you, he has, on this occasion, as you know, Chamber of Commerce, or the representative institutions, business that we have, to the, in general, in particular, one of the, in the country, who were, industrialist, walk of life, cordial relations, at all, economic, period of, problem, we are also, law and order, at the center, they will, meet the, problems, of us, cooperation, Madras, dear sirs, we were, to receive, we are glad, to have the, to tell you, if the, give you, to us, we shall be glad, you will, is the, anywhere, everywhere, throughout the, that you, yours very truly, spot advanced outlines. Silver Jubilee discussions, heaters, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, get ready, start. Your Excellency, distinguished guests and friends, I have very great pleasure in welcoming you all to this inaugural function of the Silver Jubilee of our Chamber. I am indeed happy that our beloved, respected, popular President of India has so kindly accepted our invitation to inaugurate this function. It is not necessary to mention about the high qualities of our illustrious President, as most of you know him intimately. He has rendered great service to the nation and has held several responsible posts since independence. On this occasion of Silver Jubilee, I would like to touch in brief the activities of the Chamber, past, present, and future. As you know, Chambers of Commerce are the representative institutions of the business community established on democratic principles. We look back with satisfaction that we have completed 25 years of dedicated service to the public in general and to the business community in particular. Our chamber has thus come to be recognized as one of the premier institutions of service in the country. Our thoughts naturally go to the founders of the institution who were responsible for forming this organization in 1946. Our representatives have held esteemed positions. We have amongst our members leading industrialists, manufacturers, traders, and specialists in every walk of life. The Chamber has been serving all concerned, maintaining close and cordial relations at all levels, besides its usual activities of making representations on various matters connected with trade. The Chamber has made its contribution to economic thinking by holding discussions and seminars. Presently, our nation is passing through a critical period of time. Since independence, millions of innocent men, women, and children have come from Bangladesh. We have to face the problem of feeding, clothing, and sheltering those unfortunate and helpless people. This problem is imposing a great burden on our social and economic spheres. We are also faced with unprecedented floods and drought, taking a heavy toll of life and property. Violence in certain areas is posing a threat to law and order. However, we are fortunate in having a strong and stable government at the center and in our own state, and they will meet the problems in an effective way. At the same time, every one of us has a responsibility to discharge as no government can be expected to carry the burden except with the cooperation of the whole nation. From James and Company, Madras to Modern Electricals Limited, 6 Main Road, Salem. Dear sirs, we were especially pleased to receive your inquiry, and we are glad to have the opportunity to tell you something about the new and improved water heater. It is described fully in the enclosed circular. However, if the circular does not give you all the information you require, please write to us again and we shall be glad to give you additional information on any particular point. We do not know whether you wish to use gas or oil, but you will note that the price is the same for either type. This heater has been so greatly improved that the saving in the cost of operation is anywhere from a quarter to a half of the former cost. These heaters are now on display by dealers everywhere throughout the country, and we suggest that you inspect them at the first opportunity. Yours very truly, stop.